Murali mango tree. One day, Murali eat a mango. He took the seed behind his house. Many months later, he saw the plant. He watered the plant every day. The plant grew into a big mango tree. Every summer, many mangoes grow on it. Now, Murali's children eat mangoes. Moral of the story: save trees,